This high-protein honey garlic butter chicken mac and cheese, all for 590 calories, packed with flavor, so easy to make and perfect to meal prep for the week. Slice your chicken into cubes, season with salt, black pepper, chili flakes, garlic and onion powder, paprika, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then cook the chicken on medium heat for 5 minutes each side till golden brown and crispy like this. Then lower the heat, add more butter, garlic, drizzle of honey and parsley. Give it juicy and delicious, then set the chicken aside. Add lots of garlic, cook this for 2 minutes before adding low-fat milk, light cream cheese and this extra seasoning. Stir till completely smooth, then add low-fat cheddar cheese. Keep stirring on low heat till it thickens, then add your cooked macaroni. Now look at how creamy and indulgent that looks. Finally, your high-protein meals are ready to serve. High-protein cheesy beef taco potato bowls, all for 520 calories, packed with so much flavor, perfect for weight loss and incredibly easy to meal prep. Slice your potatoes into small cubes, then add this taco seasoning mix with olive oil. Give it all a good mix, then oven or air fry on the settings listed on screen. Now make the chipotle spicy sauce with low-fat yogurt, light mayo, chipotle chili paste, hot sauce, squeeze of honey, salt, paprika and garlic powder. Blend it all till completely smooth and creamy just like this, and you can bottle the sauce up to store in the fridge for weeks. For the fresh salsa, you need chopped tomatoes, red onion, bell peppers, coriander, the spice blend and lime juice. Mix till well combined, then get a pan on high heat, add grass-fed butter, then cook the beef for 8 minutes before adding tomato paste and more taco seasoning mix. Mix and cook till golden brown, add low-fat cheese, then all that's left to do is distribute equally into 4 servings and your high-protein meals are ready to eat. High-protein garlic parmesan steak alfredo pasta, all for 590 calories, packed with flavor, easy to make and perfect to meal prep for the week ahead. Slice your steaks into cubes, season with salt, black pepper, Italian herbs, garlic, parsley, smoked paprika and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then cook your steak bites for 2 minutes each side till golden and juicy just like this. Then lower the heat, add more butter, fresh garlic and parmesan. Mix till well coated, then set the beef aside. Add chopped garlic and onion, cook for 5 minutes, then add this extra seasoning. Give it a mix, then add evaporated milk, light cream cheese, parmesan and pasta water. Stir till smooth, let it bubble, then add your cooked pasta. Give it a good mix and look at how creamy and indulgent that looks. Finally, serve with your delicious steak bites and your high protein meals.